Stop wasting your money on expensive nail strengtheners that don't work. Today, I'm sharing a secret that helped me grow my nails 2 times faster in just 1 week, and it's all natural. Look at how strong and white my nails are now compared to before. All you need is 1 clove of garlic. Chop it into small pieces. Garlic is rich in selenium, which is a miracle for nail growth. Mix it with 1 tablespoon of olive oil for moisture and a squeeze of lemon to remove any yellow stains. This is the ultimate nail soak. Soak your nails in this mixture for 10 to 15 minutes every night before bed. While you're doing this, massage your cuticles to stimulate blood flow. This sends nutrients directly to your nail bed. Rinse it off with cold water. And don't worry, the garlic smell disappears once you wash with a little soap. 2 quick tips. First, never use your nails as tools to open cans. Second, always wear gloves when washing dishes. Chemicals in soap are the #1 enemy of long nails. Try this for 7 days and I promise you'll see a massive difference. Comment nails below if you're going to try this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hidden beauty secrets. See you in the next video.